Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Facebook ad, and that is how we can add the products manually in the e-commerce section of the FB ads account. Basically, if we need to run a catalog ads, a shopping catalog ads, we need to integrate our Facebook backend with the website backend, whether it's Shopify or WordPress. But yeah, there are some cases where we don't have any like CRM, basically CRM based backend like WordPress and Shopify. We have custom website. In that case, what we'll do is we will use manual uploading method. With the help of this, we will able to upload our product manually in the e-commerce section of the FB ads account, and with the help of that, we will able to run catalog ads for the custom websites as well, as there are a lot of custom websites currently running on web, and those people are use this method to run advertisement like catalog advertisement in the Facebook campaign. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. As you can see, now we are on the FB ads dashboard, and what we need to do to manually upload your products in the catalog, you just need to go to the all tool sections, and once you click on it, it will give you many options here, and you just need to go to the commerce manager section and click on it. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the commerce manager section where the catalog is already created. Our catalog is already created. We just need to add the product manually in it, and once I click on it, it will redirect us to the dashboard like commerce manager dashboard, where we just need to go to the product section, as there is no product in this catalog right now because we haven't uploaded any. So you just need to go to the add product option, and once you click on it, it will give you four options like manual, data feed, platform partner integration, and pixel, as these kind of methods are used to upload your products directly in the commerce manager section of the FB ads account, so that you can use it for running catalog Facebook catalog ads. As we need as our today video is about manual one, but let me tell you about other options as well. Data feed is option where you can add all the data in a spreadsheet and then upload it here. Then it will automatically fetch data from that particular sheet and fetch that data in the commerce manager section catalog. And platform integration, like if you have a CRM based website like Ecommerce, Shopify, WordPress, so you can create you can integrate your backend with the FB ads account, so that it will automatically fetch all the product data in the commerce manager section, and you can run catalog ads. And third one is the pixel one. If you have already implemented the pixel, you can do it through as well. So today our video is about how we can add the products in the catalog manually. So I will choose the manually method and just click on the next button. And now we are on the dashboard where we need to put all the data, whether it's image, title, description, website link, price, all the things will be added here. So the first option is the image. I will choose it and choose the file here and upload it here. Save, as this is our product which we need to upload. So I have saved the file. Now it's asking for title. I will copy the title and put it here, and after that it is demanding for description. I will copy the description and put it here, and after that it is demanding for the website link, like particular product link. So I will copy the product link and paste it here, and after that it's asking for price, as it's 4,400 rupee. So I will put it here, and if you are giving any sales, then you can choose this option. It's optional, you don't need to, it's not mandatory to fill that option, but if you want, you can use it. And after that, which kind of category is your product. So you can choose the category, like it's a bottle. So I will choose the category bottle. You can choose the category according to your product, which category you are selling, in which category you are selling your product, you can choose it from here. And after that, you need to tell whether the condition is new or old. We have all the options here, whether it's refurbished, used, use fair or new. As my product is new, so I will choose the condition as new. And after that, you need to check off if whether it is in the stock, then you need to choose in stock. If it is out of stock, then you can check this off. And status is active. If you have a brand name, like if you are running your website has different brand products, then you can also put the brand name here as well. And in the same way, you can add all the other options, whether it's content ID. Content ID is optional, it is not mandatory to fill that. Age range, if your product is for particular age range, then you can define the age range here. It's baby food store though, so our product is not for baby food states, and it is also an optional. And if your product is only for a particular gender, whether it's male and female, then you can choose it from here. As my product is for both, so I will not choose it here. And you just need to click on the upload item. Once you click on the upload item, it will take some time to upload that particular information in the product set section, so that you can see that particular product in the product section. As you can see now, the product is the product is uploaded successfully in the product section, and now you can use it for advertisement with the help of catalog ad. So this is how we do it. This is how we manually upload our product in the Facebook e-commerce manager section and run catalog ads with the same. So I think now you can do it from your end as well. So this is how we can upload product manually. And if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen.